In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your order that you have placed on Jumia. And for this case, I'm going to show you how you can do it through Jumia mobile app using your smartphone. So if you have already placed your order, you can see the order that you have placed when you come to cart, which is this, or as well when you press on your account. So if I go to cart, to my cart, for instance, I have this order that I placed and I would like to cancel it. Alternatively, if you go to account and then tap on orders, then this will list all the orders. As you can see, the others have already been delivered. However, we have this one that is still waiting to be shipped, but I would like to cancel it. So if in any way or for one reason or the other you want to cancel your order, just go ahead and open it under your account and then open the orders and then click on the item that you have just placed, and then you'll see cancel item option is here. So if I click on it, I can now cancel it from here. There is a phone number you'll be given to contact so that you can get assistance. What you can do, just go ahead and call this number with your order number, and then they will cancel your order. So just go ahead and contact them with your order number, and your order number is here. Our customer care representative will help you to cancel the order, and immediately you'll get a message notifying you that the item has been cancelled. And this doesn't take time, it happens immediately. And now if I go back and refresh my account, you can see now it is no longer under my orders, but if I go under cancelled, you can see now it is here. Sometimes back you'll just have a button to cancel the order from your app directly, but of late you have to make a call or you have to contact them through the number you saw, and then the cancellation will be done immediately. So that's how you cancel an order on Jumia. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.